Hello viewers, today I'm gonna show you Polaroid Now version 1 or generation 1 and Polaroid Now generation 2 instant camera, and I'm gonna roast them because I quite did not like them. Two main reasons. Number one, the price. This instant camera is 150 euro. So it has also some exotic versions like this one, the Basquiat. You can see pretty much there is the Basquiat artist painting. It's a nice touch. There are also other options. There's a white one, blue one, black one, silver, purple, you name it, doesn't matter. The price is high. But let's forget about the price of the camera itself. The biggest problem with the price is this thing. Now here we have the color I-type film and we have 8 pieces of photo paper. The big problem with the price is that this thing costs by itself 20 euro. It usually does not have any type of discounts, so you got 8 photos for 20 euro. Now this is 250 per photo, and let's say, okay, maybe one of the photos won't be well, it's gonna be underexposed or overexposed or not focused. And I thought, right, okay, doesn't matter because the other 5 or 6 would be great. You can put them on the fridge or in the album and they will last for 50 years. No, that's not the case. This camera, reason number 2, is a total crap. Now it says autofocus lens, but it does not focus really at all. I mean, even if you're close or if there's a distant subject, that pretty much doesn't matter. The autofocus is terrible, the colors are terrible, everything is terrible. So when I saw my first box of the first version, I was thinking, okay, maybe in the daylight I can get something like that. It's not sharp, I mean, that's an old film type of a photography, you know, the instant type of thermal printing, and I didn't have great expectations, but in the real life it is almost impossible to get such a photo, or let me check, or such a photo, or even such a photo. And I thought, okay, let's not probably dig into the technical details, but the colors are bringing you back to the 70s, and that's nostalgic and that's great, and I love the colors. I'm gonna do it for the colors. And I shot maybe, I don't know, 2 films with the first generation, and everything went to crap. I mean, literally to crap, because it's absolutely unusable. So the photos are either too white or black or over or underexposed, again, no focus. And I said maybe this camera was faulty. Or maybe it was my fault because on the film it says protected from heat and X-ray, including airport scanners, best store it in a fridge. I have no idea how this thing has been traveled until it got into the shop or it was posted to me. So maybe the film was wrong, maybe something with the camera was wrong. Anyway, doesn't matter. I got the generation 2 and I wrote some articles, I read some articles, sorry, and I pretty much thought that the defects of the first version were fixed, and this is going to give you what you can expect from such an instant camera. No, it is not going to give you this image, not at all, sorry. Now, again, the autofocus system is not great, the lens is absolutely the same, it's dark, f11, and well, what to speak about the colors, I mean, all of the photos are brownish, so if that counts for a color or for a palette, I don't know, I mean, it totally doesn't make sense. So if you want to throw your money in the bin, just throw them in the bin, but do not give money to Polaroid because it's not cool. It doesn't make sense. There are Fuji, there are other brands, other options. Try them. Maybe some of them are better. I mean, I'm sure that the Instax is better, but that's gonna be another story. Thank you.